This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking for class second year chemistry of elements of first transition series. 3, in which we are going to study the oxidation state of the compounds. One of the most outstanding property is the oxidation state of transition elements. They show different types of oxidation states. The unique feature is observed because these elements have several d and s orbitals. These are the elements manganese, which shows different 5 type of oxidation states such as Mn0, Mn plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7. It will be evident from the electronic structure that the maximum oxidation state of manganese can be more than plus 7. The number may be obtained by the relation plus 2, where X is the number of unpaired electrons for manganese and hence the number of oxidation states of given elements. Variation in oxidation states of transition elements. Number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel and copper. The first elements in the transition series. This is because of their very low oxidation energy. Next is the elements at the center of series with large number of oxidation state, because it is towards the center where the number of unpaired d electrons is maximum. Only 1b group elements exhibit plus 1 oxidation state due to their electronic configuration. In the beginning of the series, oxidation states equal to group number are more stable, but as the groups pass on, the stability also varies. The relative stability of various oxidation states can be correlated with the great stability of empty d orbital, filled d orbital and half filled d orbitals. The titanium, manganese and silver exhibit such type of compounds. These elements do not form ionic compounds in higher oxidation states because they cannot lose electrons or accept electrons in higher oxidation state. So they have covalent character in higher oxidation states. Next is the paramagnetic nature. Due to the presence of unpaired electrons in d orbitals, transition element exhibit paramagnetism, that is, the substances when placed in the external magnetic field are attracted to the magnetic field. The substances which are repelled by magnetic field are called diamagnetic, and which are attracted by the magnetic field are called paramagnetic. Paramagnetic substances are found to contain unpaired electron spins in their atoms. Substances are paramagnetic only when are one or more unpaired electrons. The unpaired electrons give rise to magnetic field, which is given in the under formula. Mu s plus L is equal to 4s under root 4s s plus L into L plus 1. S is the sum of quantum numbers. L is the sum of orbital quantum numbers. So, by this calculation, we can calculate the number of unpaired electrons. Magnetic movement of first transition metal ions in solution. अरे भाई कर रही हूँ, क्या करूँ? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese